The man who says gets replaced. Not because he's weak, but because he builds his position the wrong way. When a man feels uncertain about his value, he looks for ways to secure it. And in dating, that looks like usefulness. He doesn't try to dominate, he tries to stabilize. If she's emotionally inconsistent, he becomes sturdy. If she's hurt, he becomes patient. If she's confused, it becomes understanding. This looks like maturity, but structurally, something changes. Its value gets tied to our instability. The more unstable she becomes, the more valuable he is. And the usefulness feels like progress. She opens up, she leans in, she says he's different. But he does not build attraction, it builds function. He manages emotions, he absorbs tension, and he removes friction. But attraction needs tension. It requires tension. And when you remove it completely, polarity drops. It becomes safe, predictable, and available. If his value is based on being needed, the moment she feels better or the moment she finds someone who feels less invested, his role becomes temporary. Not necessarily because he failed, but because he built his place around fixing instead of standing. That's the difference between being grounded and being useful. Grounded men do not rush to regulate everything. They don't turn instability into a project. They do not overextend or overreach to stabilize their position. They watch. If she can regulate herself, good. If she can't, they don't make that their responsibility so that they can feel important. The saviour pattern feels strong from the inside, but externally it lowers leverage. Because the more you try to secure your place through usefulness, the more replaceable that place becomes. Most men do not see it happening, they just feel the shift. Interest fades, energy changes, and they get replaced. And it feels random. Usually it isn't.